So, good morning, everyone, and to our advisor in methods of research, Engineer Edwin Bajola. Good morning, sir. So, today I'm going to present my research paper entitled Foot Operated Washing Machine. So, the researcher is I am the researcher. So, my name is Leonard P. Sabaria, and for the table of contents, um, here is the introduction, background of the study, statement of the problem, objectives of the study, significance of the study, scope and limitation, review of related literature, methodology, conclusion, references. So we know the most common method to clean linen and clothes are powered laundry washing machine or hand washing. Moreover, this is prevalent appliances that are seen in homes, um, professional settings, and medical facilities. And in most cases, washing machines are powered powered by electricity. And so most of the people used to wash garment manually via hands or sometimes feet. However, the task becomes laborious and time consuming. So, in the introduction, washing clothes by hands was the first idea or strategy before washing machines were developed. And also, neighboring river streams is the resource, the that the human uses to get water so that they can wash their clothes. And washing machine was suddenly made so that people will easily wash their garments. And hand washing proved to be both time and energy consuming. And washing machine contributes to energy conservation and ease of living. Next is when transferring mechanical energy from the machine to the garments to be cleaned, electricity is used to power washing machines. And the types of materials that are used in engineering are iron, stainless, carbon steel, and then so they are useful because of the quality they have. And so the good mechanical properties are ductile iron, mild steel, stainless steel, etc. That such as hardness, strength, ductility, toughness, and wear resistance. Because of their hardness, strength, ductility, toughness, and wear resistance. And also, designing and fabricating goods in mechanical engineering, numerous elements are taken into account. And lastly, for this research project, um, to be um, for this research project, we it is immediate corrosion. It protection of the material was taken into consideration in addition to the choice of materials because immediate corrosion is another factor. For the statement of the problem, this study was conducted to build or to design a foot-operated washing machine. Specifically, it aims to answer the following questions. First question, what are the following significant effects of the foot-operated washing machine to the people? Second, do you think it will help people in the other country? For the objective of the study, this study entitled Foot Operated Washing Machine aims to attain the following objectives: to fabricate a foot operated washing machine. Second, to determine the comparative advantage of foot operated washing machine to other existing motorized washing machine in terms of cost and productivity. And for the last is to determine the level of acceptability of the product to the target people of target place in terms of ease of operation and productivity. The significance of the study. In this study, it is proposed to develop an efficient method for the design of foot-operated washing machine. The emerging problem of washing machine is in different places has brought major problem to the people. Next is the scope and limitation. This study focuses mainly on fabricating a foot-operated washing machine through the use of human energy as the power. The researcher limits testing of the product to make it in time. Only the inhabitants of the community of Calabanga will be the subject in rural locations. This technology will be used as a backup option. So for the review of related literature. So all of us human have laundries in our house and we change clothes. We change clothes when it's dirty, but we continue to use our physical energy to wash clothes used by hands. As a result, some people are struggling when it comes to washing machine that sometimes there is an electric power interruption, so they will have to deal with human power to wash clothes. This project presents a new design to help other people solve their problems. And the main goal of this project was to find an alternative device and to be able to see if foot-operated washing machine can be used as the alternative device. Based on my observation, this project has mechanical energy. This project has mechanical energy, which can be used as an alternative device. Unfortunately, it would require a large amount of human energy to have an output of lesser electrical power. It is also necessary that one has to control in order for this method to be effective. For the methodology, the problem statement for this project is we are going to determine the comparative advantage of foot-operated washing machine to other existing electric-powered washing machine in terms of cost and productivity. We'll examine enhancing and extending an existing place of machinery in the study. This technique will be used to assess the effectiveness of the foot-operated washing machine. This chapter presents on how the study was conducted. Here, the research design and data gathering procedure conducted by the researcher to know if foot-operated washing machine will be the best option for washing clothes. For the research design, the developmental approach of research was applied in the study. Developmental research, as opposed to straightforward instructional development, is the study of designing, producing, and assessing instructional processes, products, and programs that satisfy internal consistency and effectiveness standards. Developmental research has enormous benefits for the field of instructional technology. The most popular types of developmental research entail both evaluation of the end product and analysis and description of the product development process. So the conceptual framework. For the input, fabricate foot-operated washing machine. Second, comparative advantage of foot-operated washing machine to other existing. To determine comparative advantage of foot-operated washing machine to other existing electric-powered washing machine in terms of cost and productivity. Third, determine acceptability percentage of the product to the people of Calabanga in terms of ease of operation and productivity. In the process, design planning, fabrication, initial testing, field performance evaluation. And for the output, fabricated foot-operated washing machine, Second, determine comparative advantage of foot-operated washing machine to other electric-powered washing machine in terms of cost and productivity. Third, determine acceptability percentage of the product to the people of Calabanga in terms of ease of operation and productivity. For the design discussion, so here's the design of foot-operated washing machine. So there are parts, here are the parts of the foot-operated washing machine. First, handlebar, this is the handlebar. This is the chain, this is the rear sprocket, and the front sprocket, the pedal, the shaft, so the inner drum, and lastly, the outer drum. It is the constructed model of the foot-operated washing machine. For the data gathering procedure, in order to assess the situation in Calabanga and the transitory factors that influence the residents' way of life, respondents were given a standardized survey questionnaire. For analysis and interpretation, the test results and survey findings were gathered. And for the conclusion, therefore, foot-operated washing machine has been designed with various parts assembled together, using mostly galvanized steel to achieve the machine of fabrications. The foot-operated washing machine serve as a washing machine for domestic use, mainly for house use, especially where there is no electricity, and also for general exercise of individuals during use. It is easy to use and low cost of maintenance in the long run. Energy is sustainable, no electricity, and also it's eco-friendly. So here are the references, the 10 references of foot-operated washing machine. So think that's all. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.